Hello, everyone. My name is Daniel Thomas López, and I am going to share with you the training program and activities that are being developed by the PerMed Center of Excellence. Before watching this video, I invite you to visit other sessions of PerMedCoE during ISMB to learn more about our project. PerMedCoE is the HPC Exascale Center of Excellence for Personalized Medicine in Europe. At the moment, the existing software for cell simulation is not sufficient to tackle certain medical problems such as tumor evolution or patient-specific treatments. Therefore, PerMedCoE aims to provide an entry point to the HPC methodology that will allow to create cell simulation models that can translate the omics information into medical relevant actions. We will achieve this goal through a series of objectives that I present here briefly. First, PerMed is going to optimize selected tools to run in pre-exascale platforms. These tools, mainly Cobrexa, Physicell, Selenopt, and Mabos, will allow us to efficiently model and simulate cell metabolism, cell-to-cell interactions, and signaling networks. Then PerMed is developing a series of use cases that will showcase the applications of the PerMed CoE products in different fields of clinical interest, such as drug synergies for cancer treatments or performing multi-scale modeling of COVID-19 virus and patients' tissues. Additionally, we have an objective of integrating the PerMed communities into the European HPC ecosystem and developing a sustainability plan. All these objectives can be seen as related to a fifth one, which is the training of the biomedical professionals. We want to develop a program that trains professionals in the use of the PerMed software, professionals that will understand and embrace the use cases that will become part of that PerMed community, and that by adopting the PerMed products will contribute to sustainability. Let me show you more of our training activities. The PerMed training program is being developed based on competencies. A competency is an observable ability of a professional that includes multiple components such as knowledge, skills, or attitudes that a person must have to achieve a competency, to be competent. In PerMed Center of Excellence, we need to know what we want our community to be competent in, what should be the knowledge or skills that our users should learn. And we also have to ask ourselves, who are those users? These are the first steps to understand what training we should think of for our project, what training is needed. To learn more about the development of the PerMed competency profile and how it will guide our training program, I invite you to visit Marta's communication at ISMB, as well as the first part of today's session in the PerMed booth. Regarding our training activities, once PerMed project was started, we had meetings. We met with all the partners of the projects to learn about their training needs, their interest, and areas where they could actually provide training based on their expertise. Thanks to this, we identified a first training priority within our consortium needed to facilitate the integration and the coordination of the different tools and the work packages of the project. Therefore, last June, we organized a two-day workshop on the topics of building blocks, containers, and workflow design. This workshop included lectures, hands-on demos, and bring your own code, dedicated sessions where the tool developers met with the PerMed engineers. Besides training our consortium, of course, our training program is going to focus on training those professionals that are interested in the PerMed products, our future users. To carry out this training, we are going to first leverage existing training resources that are already available. Having a good collection of available resources is needed because first, it is not efficient to dedicate our effort and time to replicate good training content that is already there. And second, because based on resources, we have to prioritize where new training is needed. And that's going to depend on the material that we can already leverage. Again, here, PerMed competency profile becomes again crucial to know which knowledge and skills can be developed by our users using training that is already available. PerMed is also collaborating with other projects to develop training together. These collaborations include, for example, participating in courses co-organized by CombioMed or BioExcel Centers of Excellence. And finally, we are going to develop new training, prioritizing those competencies that are not covered by existing training or where we think that developing new training might provide an additional value. Topics will include training in the usage of our core tools that are right now being developed, in code optimization for HPC, or on other potential topics such as using other relevant software or ethical, legal, and social implications of our projects. Format of our training is going to be diverse. It will include face-to-face, of course, if possible, virtual courses. It will range from asynchronous self-learning tutorials to synchronous workshops or hackathons, among others. Additionally, in the future of PerMed, we envision a larger training event, such as a summer school, that would bring together the different tools of the project in a single training event. And additionally, it will contribute to the building of that PerMed community. Regarding this aspect, the building of community, I would like to highlight our PerMed webinar series, which is being launched in September 2021, and will also become one of the first steps in training our users. So I invite you all to visit our website to register for the upcoming webinars and join us in our PerMed journey. Finally, I would like to finish by acknowledging all the partners of the project, because without their priceless expertise and work, it would be impossible to develop the PerMed training program. And thank you all for listening, and see you at the PerMed booth.